Question 1. Which country is hosting the ICC T20 World Cup 2024? Answer is USA and West Indies. Question 2. Who won the first ICC T20 World Cup in 2007? Answer is India. Question 3. Which player has scored the most runs in T20 World Cup history? Answer is Virat Kohli. Question 4. Which team won the ICC T20 World Cup in 2016? Answer is West Indies. Question 5. Who was the captain of the Indian team in the 2007 T20 World Cup? Answer is MS Dhoni. Question 6. Where was the ICC T20 World Cup 2010 held? Answer is West Indies. Question 7. Which bowler has taken the most wickets in T20 World Cup history? Answer is Umar Gul. Question 8. Who was the man of the match in the 2014 T20 World Cup final? Answer is Kumar Sangakkara. Question 9. Which country has hosted the ICC T20 World Cup the most times? Answer is India. Question 10. Who hit the winning runs for West Indies in the 2016 T20 World Cup final? Answer is Carlos Brathwaite. Question 11. Which player scored the fastest century in T20 World Cup history? Answer is Chris Gayle. Question 12. Who was the captain of the Sri Lankan team that won the 2014 T20 World Cup? Answer is Lasith Malinau. Question 13. Which bowler holds the record for the best bowling figures in a T20 World Cup match? Answer is Ajantha Mendes. Question 14. Which team did India defeat in the final of the 2007 T20 World Cup? Answer is Pakistan. Question 15. Which batsman has hit the most sixes in T20 World Cup history? Answer is Chris Gayle.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do share, like and subscribe.